Hello friends. Today's video is about Mulaku Bajji, Chilli Fritters, a bhaji item that everyone likes equally. In this video you can learn how to easily prepare this chili fritters at home. If you like the video, remember to like, comment and share. Welcome to all friends to a new video of Chef Joji. The chilies for preparing the fritters have been taken here. 8 chilies have been taken. Now these chilies need to be slit lengthwise. The required chilies for preparing the chili fritters have all been slit here. 1 chili has been slit into 2. Now let's prepare the coating for the chili fritters. A bowl has been taken for that. Add gram flour to it. Approximately 250 grams of gram flour is taken here. Now add 2 tablespoons of rice flour. The rice flour we normally use for patri or appam will suffice. Now add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, the required salt for the fritters, about a quarter teaspoon of asafoetida powder, and a pinch of baking soda. Mix it well using a whisk. Now add a little water. Mix it after adding water. We need a thick batter, so add only the required amount of water. So keep mixing it by adding a little water at a time. When mixing with a whisk like this, you can quickly mix it without any lumps. You can also mix it by hand. Now the batter is well mixed. This is the thickness required. If it is too thick, the fritters will not cook, and if it's too loose, the fritters won't look good. So the thickness should be at a medium level. Now a kadai has been placed on the stove to prepare the chili fritters, and the required oil has been added. Sunflower oil is used here. Now dip the chili in the batter like this. Put the chili dipped in the batter into the hot oil like this. Be careful to keep the oil at a medium heat. If the heat is too high, it will burn as soon as it is added and the inside of the fritters will not cook. It should be fried in medium heat for a longer time. Only 4 chilies have been added now. Fry them well. When one side is fried, flip it over. This way, make sure all sides of the chili are roasted evenly. It has now been fried well. Now, remove it from the oil. So the chili fritters is ready here. Chutney made with chili powder or tomato sauce can be used as a side dish. So, I hope you all liked this video of chili fritters which we can all prepare very easily. If you liked it, remember to like, comment and share. If you're watching this channel for the first time, remember to subscribe to the channel and follow the page. Chef Joji's YouTube channel and Facebook page have a lot of old videos, so try to watch them. So, a new video will be coming soon. Until then, bye-bye.